right heroes could make all the difference.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion.
Round
As
one,
Sorcerer
go!
Supreme, I oversee other magical adepts.
They'll be coming in 30 seconds. Stay strong. Wow.
We're in this together, Tandy Bowen. Get the stars out of your eyes and let us fight. The fate of many worlds is at stake. It is a mighty quest.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Friends have saved my life far more times than
You need to stop that vehicle in its tracks.
Our enemies are strengthened for battle.
Make it! Better stop that vehicle!
Dark magic!
Disappear!
here they are now.
You stopped them in their tracks.
Another falls to the Sorcerer Supreme.
Your powers are mine!
Disappear!
New dark magic!
I seem to be unprotected.
Score one for Ty.
Behold the god of thunder!
You stopped them in their tracks.
I am strengthened for battle.
Dagger. Hold still. I'm trying to help. I'm hit.
Okay, hold your horses. Deploy another power here, people.
By the eye of Agamotto! Out, dark magic! I am strengthened for battle.
Only 60 seconds left. Disappear! That's a yes. Here come the bad guys.
Leave me, darkness! Out, dark magic!
Down to 30 seconds.
Enjoy the amplifier.
I purge the
is 0 to 0. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on. You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion. When science failed me, magic was there.
Armor patch here. Pay up.
"30 seconds before you attack. Get ready."
You have not stopped fighting since you returned to our ranks, Scott.
That's what happens when the X-Men are on the front lines of a war for time and space.
Even the best soldier can't fight forever. There will come a time when you must return to Krakoa and rest.
That time will
The
come.
battle starts in 5,
Not a
4,
moment sooner.
3, 2, 1.
I am strengthened for battle.
Leave me, help get that vehicle to its destination. Embrace the light.
Light 'em up here.
Pay for this.
I'll patch you up.
Good medicine. Out, dark magic.
Stay close. Spider-Zero knows these webs better than anyone.
Here they are now.
Need assistance.
Out, dark magic.
Hey, Teeny. And
I create my own shield.
Prepare yourself for the road ahead, little spider.
Final score, 1 to 0. Another epic victory! Big win! You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion. oversee other magical adepts.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
The power you unleash from your eyes, does it ever run out?
Not in my experience. Some say it's channeled from a dimension of pure concussive force.
Ah, the so-called punch dimension. America Chavez told me of it once. I've been meaning to
The
study.
battle starts in 5,
You're not
4,
the only one who'd like
3,
to unlock my
2,
mutant powers.
1.
But I have a
All
feeling
you need to
that
do is
you'll be
capture the
so
mission area.
easy.
Got it?
Professor trained me to fight for his dream. I can't lose sight of it now. Look!
Our enemies are near. Power beyond sight! I am strengthened for battle.
Hold still. I'm trying to help.
Did you see that?
Help get that vehicle to its destination.
An unseen assist! I am strengthened for battle.
See that coming?
You're halfway there. Keep going.
Invisible? No worries. I've got your back. If we wish to fight dead, we must.
Good medicine. Ionic magic!
Almost there. Don't turn back now.
Stand down! Again! Again! Again!
The vehicle reached a checkpoint. Keep up the momentum.
Ionic magic! I am strengthened for battle. The move!
Just too bright for you. Everybody needs a hand sometimes. Or a dagger.
That's it. Don't let anything stand in your
Beholds
way.
the god of thunder!
Shields up! That essence. Anyone willing to help? So dark. The sooner we deliver it, the better. This is natural anger.
So close. This is your big chance. We are undefeatable.
Nagamoto! Good medicine. An unseen assist!
Nowhere.
The current score is 3-2-0. Time to switch things up, including which side you're on. The right heroes could make all the difference.
Open your eyes. Reality is but an illusion.
Round 2.
Supreme, I oversee other magical adepts.
A powerful warrior woman such as yourself would be revered in heaven.
I appreciate that. Maybe the Fantastic Four will have to pay your home realm a visit.
It would be best to come alone. Men are not welcome where I come from.
It has been a while since I've done a...
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! You have to stop them from securing the mission area. I don't think I can handle
Good medicine.
Anyone willing to help?
An unseen assist.
Double kill!
So it was...
Sometimes. Or a dagger.
An unseen assist. Good medicine. Enemy in front of us. Power beyond sight.
No skill shot!
I am strengthened for battle. Power beyond sight.
Shields up! Doctor Strange is...
The Sorcerer Supreme lives once more.
Behold the God of Thunder!
Boom! No skill shot!
Judge! Jury!
Only 60 seconds left.
By the eye of Agamotto!
Help.
An unseen assist! I am strengthened for battle. Enemy in front of us!
Down to 30 seconds.
The eye of Agamotto softens. Their attack is almost exhausted. An unseen assist!
The final 10 seconds. Weakling! Shields up! Release! The Final score, 3, 2, 0.